Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you why most Shopify stores leak profit and how Funnelish fixes it. We'll go over the shoulder throughout this video. You'll be able to follow along. We'll jump right into it. This is the best way, by far the best way, to convert customers in e-commerce. And I'm going to teach you how to do it the exact right way. And I bet you probably fall into this description of most Shopify stores that really obsess over finding new products. We want to launch a new product today. We want to launch 10 new products tomorrow. We want to launch 30 new products the next week, right? Obsessed with launching new products and launching new ads, but they're sending customers into a basic product page that doesn't convert. It doesn't matter how many products you launch if you're sending them into a page that doesn't convert. And a popular strategy is to install Funnelish in your Shopify store to set up a smart funnel system that increases conversion rate and increases average order value. It's basically going to transform your e-commerce business when you follow this strategy. But there are definitely some pain points when it comes to implementing a funnel inside of Shopify. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with your Shopify store. You need to use an app. That's why you're going to use the Funnelish app, and I'm going to show you it over the shoulder in this video. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to know JavaScript or Shopify Liquid, or you don't need to hire a developer or anything like that. And really the big thing here is that most stores focus on more products, more ads, more categories. But without a funnel, you're paying for clicks that barely monetize. Low conversion rate, low average order values, low uptake on upsells and grabbing multiple products throughout a buying process, right? Those are the things that build a massive e-commerce store, and you're able to do it all with Funnelish. That's why I highly, highly recommend them, and we're going to go over the shoulder inside my account. You're going to see me build this, and you'll be able to follow along and see the massive increase in conversion rate and average order value across all of your products in your store. So we'll bring over Funnelish right now. Again, you see the link directly below this video. And it's going to allow you to create high converting e-com sales funnels. And it's just so super powerful over here. We'll be able to have everything in this very easy to use editor. And we'll be able to literally have a funnel system that is focused on making us as much money as possible, right? We want to convert. We want to have higher conversion rates than our typical pages. We want to be able to have upsells and downsells. We want to be able to see analytics to see exactly what's working. We want all of our funnel pages to load incredibly quickly. And over 50% of visitors leave a site if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. Your pages cannot be slow, right? And we'll literally be able to save time because we can fulfill orders on autopilot. It's fully integrated with Shopify, with Google Sheets, with Zapier. So easy to do. And you can convert leads into buyers with tons of more features here, like abandoned cart emails and SMS, right? Integrations with MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo. So, the whole kit and caboodle right here. Everything that you need is in Funnelish. So all you need to do, click here, start your 14-day free trial. You'll be able to jump right in and follow along as I go inside of my account. Okay, I'm inside of my account. First thing that you're going to want to do after you sign up is come over here to settings, and we're going to go into integrations. So this is going to be where we can connect our shop. And you see there are lots of other integrations here. For example, Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, Google Sheets, of course, Shopify, which is what we're going to do. MailChimp, Mailgun, SMTP, Hyros, right? All the important ones, Zapier, so you can pretty much connect to anything. We'll come and click on Shopify. And what's going to happen here is it's going to ask us to put in our, what I call the ugly, but the .myshopify domain name, right? So we'll come over here and we'll paste that in. This brings us into the install app page. We'll click install app right over here. And now our store is connected. You see, we can now over here in Shopify disconnect if we wanted, but I have my Shopify store connected. So that's step one. And let's come back over here into the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see all of your key stats like revenue, and you could change the date range over here. Everything will update. You'll see revenue stats, unique orders, conversion rate, which is such an important thing to track over here, average order value, and your basic stats over here like page views, opt-in rate, etc. So over here, we'll have all of our funnels listed. I'll show you how to create a funnel. You have orders coming in directly through here, and customers. Of course, you'll be able to manage everything right there. You've got your full analytics, right? So the dashboard just has your quick view, but you have full analytics right over here. You could even scroll down and do things like UTM tag report, payment methods, funnel performance. So you could start to see all of the individual stats that matter, like average order value. Really powerful here, and I highly recommend spending a lot of time right inside analytics so you could truly know your business. Lots of different great automation options over here. You can come and create automations. They have basic ones that you can create from scratch and literally go and have full flexibility there. But what I want to show you is to get started. This is by far the easiest thing that you should do as soon as you integrate your store, right? So we sign up, we go to settings, integrations. Now we're over here to get started, and we're going to select a template. All you need to do is scroll through these templates and pick your own. You can customize them once we're inside, and it's literally as simple as saying, okay, I like this Drift Brew coffee funnel. Let me click the details. And it's going to open it up in a little slide out here. You can see the top to bottom funnel. You'll be able to customize these different sections, and you can even preview the funnel right over here. Take a look. We have a little announcement bar, our logo section, of course, our offer, and our content area over here. We have our shop now with some really high converting urgency and free shipping buttons right down there. You see this is a nice top to bottom funnel with some testimonials as well. So we have that over here. We even have a countdown clock ready to go. And of course, clicking shop now, since this is all integrated with Shopify, it's just going to be another Shopify order. So basically, you just pick the template that you want here. You don't need to go and reinvent the wheel. Say, oh, I like this muscle growth one. Let me take a look at this. Go ahead and click preview, and you scroll through here and you say, oh, this looks really good. I think this could match my brand. And it doesn't have to be a protein or a supplement, right? You'll be able to customize this with your own images and your own content and your own text. So it's a high converting page or a funnel for your specific brand. So let's come over here and click use template. This allows us to go and select this template style. And you see the entire funnel as well, right? We have our landing page. We have, of course, our checkout over here integrated with Shopify. So everything will maintain in terms of our checkouts and our stats in our Shopify and any fulfillments. We have upsells. In fact, we have two. So we have upsell number 1 and we have upsell number 2. Then, of course, we have our thank you page. So it's really as simple as visualizing what our funnel is going to look like and then going into each specific section and customizing it. So we have this one, and again, we can go click right over here and see this link over here, see it live, right? And what we want to do is customize this for our own brand. So we have this option over here where we can create duplicates and revisions. But what we're going to do, come click right over here and click edit. So now we're in the actual editor. And as you see here, it's point and click, right? It's literally that simple. You say, you know what? I don't like having, 5 different sections here. Oh, no problem, right? You can come over here and we could literally just delete this. Right now we have 4 sections. You say, I don't like having this testimonial. It doesn't seem realistic. Okay, we can change it. I really love this, right? You can literally have full control over the template is just a starting point. And what we want to do is implement our branding, our look and feel, our products directly into these pages. And when you have everything customized the way that you want, you simply click Save Changes. It's that simple. And because this was a 5-step funnel, right? We had advertorial, we had our upsells, of course, our checkout and our thank you. We'll want to come in here and customize all of the pages. So our upsell over here, we're going to come over here and edit our upsell, right? Edit all of the stats and all of the information and all of the guarantees. Everything gets specific to our brand, right? Our logo, our colors, our products. And they fit right inside of these high converting templates. And the best part is it doesn't matter what you're selling. You're able to have it all come in here. And you could even create new steps yourself, right? This one came with a 5-step, but maybe you want to have another step in here, right? We can come over here and add in a different template as a different step, and you'll be able to have full control. You literally see them right over here. We have all of the abilities to then see inside of this funnel our orders, our customers, our analytics specific to this funnel, right? Any apps that are connected to this funnel, for example, Facebook pixel optimization, any automations that we add, and any settings specific to this funnel. So everything is self-contained right here. And all we need to do, again, click preview, and we'll be able to see this in action, right? This is the actual buyer. We'll come over here, we'll opt in to this, and then they'll get sent into the checkout. Here's our checkout over here where they select the specific product that they want. Again, on this page, we could fully customize this as well. We put in our own reviews, our own testimonials, our own images, our own colors, our logo, etc. And this is a ready-to-go checkout, highly optimized for conversion. You see some really cool things like urgency, right? We have our countdown timer. We have trust builders like our testimonials. We have our strong product imagery with our different branding over here. In this case, an orange secondary color. We have right over here the ability to have a one-click add-on, right? So an order bump as well. This is how you make a lot of money inside of e-commerce, right? And then again, we come back to this funnel, and we know that the next step after checkout is upsell, right? So we're going to actually upsell them 2 products. So we can make a lot of money just on this transaction, as opposed to sending the traffic directly to a product page. What we're going to do instead, send them to this funnel, right? This fully customized, high converting funnel built by Funnelish. So that was Funnelish, and super, super easy to use, as you saw. You could literally jump in right now. Just start that free 14-day trial. You see the link directly below this video, and feel free to watch this video a couple times. Just get this set up. You're going to see massive benefits with a higher increase of conversion rate, average order value, and customer lifetime value, all because you're implementing funnels with Funnelish. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, I hope Funnelish helps you make a ton of money. I hope you see that massive bump in conversion rate and AOV. And most importantly, I'll see you in my next video.